My dear young people, dear friends, I'm delighted that our diocese will be taking part in the 23rd World Youth Day in Australia. I'm so pleased that I myself will be going and so be with so many of the young people of our diocese. The theme of the World Youth Day is "You will receive power when the Holy Spirit has come upon you, and you will be my witnesses." For those of you who are participating for the first time, you may be excited and possibly a little nervous. But do know that as a diocesan family, you will find great support and friendship along the way. It'll be a great gift for us to be together and in communion with our Holy Father, Pope Benedict XVI. For those of you not with us in Australia, I hope that this website will allow you to follow our pilgrimage to Sydney and see what the young people from our parishes are experiencing. May Mary, united in prayer with the apostles in the upper room, accompany us in everything we experience in these days, and obtain for all young Christians, whether present in Sydney or not, a fresh outpouring of the Holy Spirit to set their hearts on fire. May God bless you all.